I'm here at the Aberafan Shopping Centre and I'm at the Opportunity Hub, which is a great initiative by Neath Talbot County Borough Council as an option for people to come in, to talk about jobs, to talk about training, to talk about developing their career. Great opportunities for people who might be in difficulties in a job that they don't like, in a job that might have potential of finishing, no progression. So it's just a chance for them to come in, talk to the great assortment of people here who can advise them regarding their future employment, their future training and their future career development.
So we're based here at the Opportunity Hub in Talbot in our Aberafan Shopping Centre, which has been fantastic for us and the community because we've had loads of people coming in, just dropping in off the cuff. Every participant is different. So we have some people who might have worked in a factory for 20 years, might have taken redundancy, been laid off, and we just have to help them then kind of get up to speed with like applying online, writing a CV, and then we can work with someone who might have just left school, never gone into employment before. So it's about introducing them, preparing them to enter the job market, upskilling them, putting them on any training that might be required. So we've put a lot of people into the construction industry, so we could pay for things like CSCS cards, CCNSG cards for the steelworks. We've also helped people then get into security with SIA licenses, but it all depends on the client. We're open from 9 o'clock till 5 o'clock Monday to Thursday, and then 9 o'clock till 4:30 on a Friday. Part of our role as well is we organise recruitment events. Some of these recruitment events are large job fairs. We've done them in multiple areas throughout the borough, but we mainly do them in like the Gwyn Hall in Neath, the Princess Royal Theatre in Talbot. We've also utilised the hub as well for smaller recruitment days. So we've had organisations like the DVLA, the NHS, Tata Steel in here, and that's something we can look at going forward as well. We have close links with employers, so we contact employers directly. We have a good relationship with employers, and what we do then is we try and bridge that gap between the participant and the employer. So we kind of liaise between the two, and the mentors then will get the participants as ready for work as possible.
Neath Talbot is really lucky in that we've got some huge projects coming up. These projects are going to need new skills. We're identifying at the moment what skills may be needed, and now this is a great opportunity as well to come in here. They'll tell you what skills future jobs will be coming. These will be great jobs, high-paid jobs, jobs with possibly long careers. So that, again, come in, get some information on how you might retrain or restructure what you can do with the rest of your life by getting that training and then moving into perhaps the new technologies that might be involved with these projects. The projects I'm talking about are the GCRE, which is up the top of the Dillais Valley, the huge Freeport project, which is going to be absolutely game-changing for the whole area, and also Wild Fox, which is at the top of the Avon Valley. So across those three projects, a huge amount of different skills needed, massive opportunities for retraining and massive opportunities for great new careers. So please come in and try and get some information on this as well, and how you can adapt perhaps and relearn to have opportunities in these great chances that we will get in the near future.